Hey guys, this is Axel from Pedal Electric. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your throttle, whether your throttle is inoperable or if you had some damage with the cut wire and you need to replace it. Super easy job, takes 2 tools, probably take you about 3 minutes. For this job you'll need a 4mm Allen. This is going to loosen up your grip. You got to remove your grip, and with the 3mm you're going to loosen the clamp that's actually on the throttle, and then you'll remove your throttle. So to access the throttle you're going to have to remove this half grip here. It's in 2 pieces, so you're going to have your throttle in the grip. So you take your 4mm and remove the screw that's on the end here. If you notice in your throttle here and you're removing it, you're gonna have a plastic cap. What this does is when the grip is on the actual handlebar here, that reduces friction and that doesn't allow your throttle to stick. During the installation process, make sure you put this plastic cap in there. Next step, we're gonna unplug the Juliet connector. You can trace this all the way from your throttle into the harness. Once you unplug that, then we're gonna hit the 3mm right here, loosen this, and then the throttle will come off. Installation process is exactly the opposite. We're going to install our new throttle here. The way that we're gonna wire this is gonna be between the shifter and the brake lever, right under here. And you can plug this in. And then we're going to tighten down our 3mm. You're going to install your anti-friction cap in here. This just loosely lies right in there. Tighten down your 3mm. Once it's snug, you don't have to go too tight on this, otherwise you'll break the casing, and you're good. Now we're going to install our half grip. Install your half grip. Now you only need to go snug with this because you can over torque this, which will break the inside here. It only takes 3 Nm worth of force here to tighten this down. Thank you for watching our how-to video. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, you go ahead and hit the link below and reach out to us directly at the tech support department.